Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Wendy's. So, what they do is restaurants. Obviously, fairly well known in America, internationally, not so much. Current price is $22.19, which gives them a market cap of just under $5 billion. Dividend yield 1.26% with a payout ratio of 74%, which is payout ratio very high, dividend not very high at all. Definitely not really a dividend stock per se with those numbers. Current revenue $1.7 billion, earnings $137 million, which is down significantly, but the outlier was more the past year, with the previous year being 194 and 130-ish million dollars. So the 460 was the outlier here. The 137 is pretty much in line with where they had been before. Current PE is 47 with a forward PE of 30, which is kind of high. Total assets $5 billion, total liabilities $4.6 billion, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of $516 million, which is down 20-ish% from the previous year, which I don't like either. This balance sheet does not look good, and I wish that companies with a balance sheet like this would not buy back stock, but I'm not a CEO and I'm not on the board, so guess we're just going to have to deal with it. There are pretty much no risk factors. Everything that is known is what's going to happen pretty much. I really don't see a new fast food chain just popping up out of nowhere and going nationwide and putting Wendy's out of business. So obviously what could happen is people eat healthier, but I really don't see that happening either. So overall, obviously the growth is not too great, so growth investors are going to be out. Dividend investors are probably not liking the dividend of just over 1%, especially with payout ratio of 74%. There's just not really much they can do to raise that dividend without cutting into the already terrible balance sheet. And for a value investor, the PE is way too high. The balance sheet does not look great, and the revenue growth is also not that great. The dividend being the only thing that kind of helps, but again, PE way too high, so it really doesn't make sense to invest in this company right now. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.